Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Before we start, I really need support, so please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you. Okay, now we can start. Today I will show you how to use HTML font element with attributes size, color, and face. So, I will create some example text. This is my text. If I run my code on web browser, I will get some text with default format. Default text format on browsers is Times New Roman, size 3, color black. Also, it depends which browser do you use. We can change font size, color, and face using only HTML without CSS. For the open font tag, we have less than sign, word font, and greater than sign. Now, for the closed font tag, we have less than sign, slash sign, word font, and greater than sign. Now, I will change some HTML font attributes. HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name and value pairs like name equals value. Today we will use just attributes for font element. I will make tutorial of using other HTML attributes soon. So, stay tuned. Now, for example, I will make font blue and change font size to 5. We can use other color specification, for example hexadecimal color values. Save and run the file. As we can see, it works. We can change attribute font face. I will change font face to Arial. You can use many other font faces. Let's see what we got. Nice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.